Are you preparing for dance class? So, you are about to embark on your first dance class ever, and if you are unsure to yourself, if you are unsure of what to wear, what you should eat, your abilities, and the list goes on. It's a common feeling for new and beginning dancers, and like most things in life, you are unsure the first time you try something, especially when it is something as physically and mentally demanding as dancing. A lot of these fears and uncertainties can be put to rest by simply communicating with your soon-to-be dance instructor. But you may even be unsure of what questions you should ask. Preparing for dance class. Like many of the new experiences you take on in your life, preparing for dance class can alleviate a lot of doubt and give yourself some more confidence. So, here I would like to share my thoughts. What to consider when preparing for dance class. 1. Attire. Choosing what to wear may seem easy enough, however. There may be different attire you can wear depending on the type of dance class you are taking. Of course, you want to be comfortable, but you also want to be able to move freely without what you are wearing impeding your ability to go through your full range of motion. So, before you buy something elaborate, call or email the dance instructor or dance school to be sure you have the appropriate attire and correct shoes, so you will abide to the dance studio's dress code. 2. Hair. Dancing classes can get vigorous and there can be plenty of leaps, spins, and fast-paced dance steps. The last thing you want to worry about is your hair getting in the way. Most dance classes require you to wear your hair up. You also don't want to have to pause or step aside to keep fixing your hair, as it will only take you away from the lesson and make for a less enjoyable experience. Just like your attire, you can always consult your instructor to make sure you wear your hair accordingly. 3. Food. Like most physical activities, it would be unwise to eat a full meal right before your very first dance class. You don't want to become nauseous during class, and a meal might make you feel sluggish as well. If you have to eat something light and on the healthier side to give you a boost of energy. 4. Stretching. Stretching for any physical activity is a must, and with dancing there is no exception. It's a great way to loosen up and to help prevent potential injury. Arriving to class early can give you enough time to stretch beforehand, but you are most likely going to stretch during the class before you get into the lesson. 5. Set goals. Like anything new you try, you want to set goals for yourself. Invest certain time, like hours wise. It helps you get to the next level and is something to aim for and to help build your confidence as you begin learning. Also, with anything new you try, you can expect to make mistakes. But that is all a part of the process and is not something to get discouraged about. 6. Consistency. To be consistent, you have to make sure that you recognize when you don't reach the standards and goals that you set. In these moments, consider if your goals are realistic or ask yourself what you can do to improve. On your schedule or calendar, check off tasks that you have completed.